sing.
With large metallic insects fighting in the sky, keep throwing the tears of fire. I don't know why. No more tears of fire, and tears fall and explode. No more tears of fire. Nightmares are allowed. Tears of fire. Those tears keep falling down. No more tears of fire, but tears fall to the ground. To the ground.
And how could I have been so blind not to see that you are part of me?
Child, you're just a child, and I pray that you can be in a place where the tears don't fall anymore, and the ruler settles the score. He'll wipe the tears away. Yes,